Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Streamlabs to OBS. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and open your Streamlabs account. If you don't have any Streamlabs account, you have to go to streamlabs.com and then you have to register an account first. After registering account, you have to go to dashboard, Streamlabs dashboard. Then you have to choose all widgets. This one, click on all widgets. Scroll down till you find Streamlabs. Click on Streamlabs. Now you have to click on, if you're using Mac, click on this. If you're using Windows, then click on this. I'm using Windows right now, so click on Windows and download the Streamlabs profiles. It will take some minutes, so I'll be right back when it's complete. Then install it in your device. It is installing. Hold on. Now open it in your Streamlabs, this one. You can log in Streamlabs ID. Click on login. Let's try again. Click on login and let's try. Okay, it is now login in. So finally, after login to this Streamlab, you have to go to OBS. After go to OBS, click on this plus icon and you'll find here text GDI, this one. Click on this and then write here the anything you can write, that's up to you. I'm writing here recent subscriber. Okay, now you must sure click on this read from file, then click on browse and then you have to find the folder. You can see the folder here, Streamlabs recent subscribers. Click on open and you can see that is 0. Okay, so after doing this, you can change the color here. If you want to change the color, click on this select color. You can change the color from here and then you can select the font here. You can change any font you want. Okay, click on OK. OK again. So you can see that now Streamlabs subscriber is showing. You can make it anywhere with the mouse dragging. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.